Concrete shouldn't win the fight. If your drill struggles, you're wasting time and energy. Today I'm revealing the best rotary hammer drills that power through brick and concrete with serious impact. Welcome to my channel. I've compared the top picks. Check the links in the description and choose your upgrade wisely. The number 5 product on our list is ACROPOW Rotary Hammer Drill. Concrete has a way of humbling ordinary drills in seconds, turning ambition into frustration. This cordless rotary hammer is built to change that story. Powered by a brushless motor delivering up to 3 joules of impact energy, it bites into concrete with authority while maintaining efficient performance and longer tool life. That extra force matters when you are mounting heavy fixtures, drilling anchor holes, or tackling renovation work that standard drills simply cannot handle. The integrated safety clutch adds reassurance, reducing wrist strain if the bit binds unexpectedly. Weighing less than many traditional hammer models, it stays manageable during overhead or extended tasks. 4 operating modes, including hammer only, hammer drill, and chisel adjustment, provide flexibility for wood, metal, and masonry applications. Variable speed control responds smoothly to trigger pressure, helping you match power to the material without overdriving. The forward and reverse function simplifies bit changes and screw removal, while the 360-degree rotatable D handle improves grip at different angles. Vibration buffering and a built-in LED light enhance comfort and visibility in tight or dim workspaces. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt max batteries, though sold as a bare tool, it fits seamlessly into existing setups. Compared with heavier corded models that deliver higher sustained power, this version emphasizes portability and convenience while still meeting most home and light professional demands. It suits DIY renovators, contractors handling medium-duty jobs, and homeowners upgrading their toolkit. Pull the trigger and feel the wall give way with controlled, purposeful force that keeps your project moving forward. At number 4 is AOBEN Rotary Hammer Drill. Concrete does not respond to hesitation, and ordinary drills often surrender before the job even begins. This 13-amp electric rotary hammer arrives with 1,500 watts of determined force, built to power through masonry, concrete, and even steel without losing momentum. The impact energy feels decisive, turning stubborn surfaces into manageable tasks instead of exhausting battles. 3 function modes keep it versatile. Switch between hammer only for chiseling, hammer drill for combined rotation and impact, or drill only for lighter materials. The dual switch design adds durability, reducing wear compared to single switch systems. That thoughtful detail speaks to users who have burned through tools in the middle of important projects. Ergonomics matter when you are working for hours. The rubberized grip and 360-degree adjustable handle provide steady control, while the SDS Plus system ensures secure bit changes. Heat dissipation design and double anti-dust structure help extend tool life during demanding sessions. The included kit with drill bits, chisels, lubricant, spare carbon brushes, and a portable carrying case prepares you to get started immediately. For those comparing options in the search for a dependable rotary hammer for concrete drilling, this corded model offers consistent power without worrying about battery life, though it does trade mobility for continuous performance. It suits serious DIY renovators, contractors handling medium-duty demolition, and homeowners upgrading their workspace. Press it into the wall, feel the motor surge, and watch resistance turn into progress with purposeful strength. The third one on our list is Berserker Rotary Hammer Drill. Some projects demand more than patience, they demand raw force. This heavy-duty rotary hammer answers that call with a commanding 1,600-watt motor delivering up to 7.38 foot-pounds of impact energy. When concrete resists and brick fights back, the steady surge of 0 to 3,800 blows per minute keeps progress moving forward. It weighs 16 pounds, and that solid build signals purpose. This is not a casual household drill. It is designed for serious demolition and deep masonry work. 2 core modes, including hammering with rotation and hammering only, allow you to switch between drilling and chiseling, while the Vario lock positions the chisel exactly where you need it. The SDS Max system enables tool-free bit changes with automatic locking and efficient impact transfer, saving time on busy job sites. A 360-degree adjustable handle and upgraded anti-vibration design help manage fatigue during extended sessions. Overload clutch protection guards your wrists if the bit binds, and the 6-speed transmission lets you tailor power to material thickness. Many buyers struggle before choosing a heavy-duty hammer because lighter drills stall in reinforced concrete. This model solves that frustration with sustained power, though it lacks a drill-only mode and trades portability for strength. Compared with compact SDS Plus tools that suit lighter renovations, this version focuses on high-impact performance. It suits contractors, remodelers, and serious DIY builders tackling concrete walls or foundations. Pull the trigger and feel stubborn surfaces give way under controlled industrial force that turns effort into visible progress. On number 2 is Bosch Rotary Hammer Drill. There's a moment when a standard drill hits concrete and simply gives up, leaving you staring at dust instead of progress. This rotary hammer refuses to stall. Driven by a robust 8.5 amp motor producing 2.4 foot-pounds of impact energy, it delivers steady, controlled force that powers through masonry without drama. The difference shows immediately in clean holes and consistent drilling speed. 3 operating modes, including drilling only, hammer drilling, and chiseling, allow you to move from anchor installations to light demolition without switching tools. The SDS Plus system enables tool-free bit changes with automatic locking, saving time when the pace matters. Comfort is not overlooked. Counterbalanced vibration control reduces fatigue during long sessions, and the D-handle design provides stability for overhead or downward applications. Kickback control adds an important layer of safety by stopping rotation if the bit binds unexpectedly, offering reassurance during demanding tasks. The variable speed trigger with reversing supports accurate starts and smooth adjustments, while the Vario lock function positions the chisel at the ideal working angle. A built-in hook keeps the tool within reach on busy job sites. For those comparing options while searching for a dependable rotary hammer for concrete drilling, this model balances power and control more thoughtfully than many entry-level units, though it does not deliver the extreme impact energy of heavier demolition-focused machines. It suits contractors, remodelers, and serious DIY builders who want reliable performance without unnecessary bulk. Pull the trigger and feel precision replace frustration as the wall yields to steady, confident force. Now moving to the last one is DeWalt Rotary Hammer Drill. Concrete can turn a simple installation into an exhausting battle, especially when your tool feels heavier than the task itself. This lightweight rotary hammer changes that experience from the first trigger pull. Delivering 1.4 joules of impact energy, it drills quickly and cleanly into concrete for rod hanging, cable tray setups, strut mounting, and bracket installations. The compact build makes overhead work less punishing, which is exactly where many professionals feel strain after long hours on site. A brushless motor paired with a German-engineered mechanism keeps performance efficient while extending runtime, helping you move from one anchor point to the next without unnecessary interruptions. The shock's active vibration control system noticeably reduces the feedback felt at the handles, easing fatigue during repetitive drilling. Switching between drill and hammer drill modes is straightforward thanks to the intuitive selector, allowing smooth transitions depending on material. When paired with compatible dust extraction equipment, it aligns with OSHA Table 1 requirements, adding practical value for job site compliance. Many buyers hesitate before choosing a compact rotary hammer because they fear sacrificing power for portability. This model strikes a thoughtful balance, offering enough force for light to medium concrete tasks while remaining easier to handle than heavier demolition-focused units. Compared with high-impact corded hammers built for breaking slabs, this version prioritizes maneuverability and runtime over extreme chiseling strength. It suits electricians, installers, and contractors who need reliable drilling without bulk. Press it into the surface and feel steady progress replace the frustration of stalled bits and sore arms. So guys, this was the video about the best rotary hammer drill. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.